Cheerio folks, it is Sunday and usually by this time I would have a proper video drop for you folks, but I don't. I mean, so today this will have to suffice. So again, doing this kind of work for a living, I mean, it's amazing and I am so stoked to be able to do things like this because it's kind of special. But it also means I have to prioritize getting that client deadlines first before getting to the YouTube stuff, which is also important. I mean, you're important. I want to keep my schedules and such, and I'm doing my best, but you know. Anyway, because I do need to get this thing track ready for next week, and there's a whole bunch of things I still need to do, so editing a video for 10 hours plus is not an option. Right now, at least. So next week, you will be getting a but instead next week, you will be getting a longer video, which also will be including the track day. So that is gonna be quite exciting. So, I mean, obviously gonna bring the bike and then I'll also be bringing my trike. Anyways, so I'm just gonna put this very short, not too much edited video in here and get soon to bed so I can continue on to this tomorrow and just chug on every day until it's done, because that's what it's do. And again, thank you for sticking around, and this is kind of a weird weekly update this time, but again, thank you for staying around, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.